I get belle for my papa. I dey 5 months pregnant for my biological father.
Hello my people, I greet the four as on touch shebo mama host on a day fine and do as on tell me to share, comment, like, God go bless you now. My people, nothing where Musa no go see forget. What you never see? Let me say you never work carriage there. This video where I go play for now my people, you now go listen to what this girl they talk come out from mouth because the thing the thing tire me it be like bicycle wey no get brake, no get direction. According to this guy, he say he get belle una see am for there. He said the true life story. I am pregnant for my father. He say he get belle for his papa. 5 months belle, na the belle dey now. So his papa come dey like they you understand, they chop the tomatoes. One and not verse they look everywhere now outside that day. His papa come dey chop the tomatoes. When time wey dey small, he never even open tomatoes. Now his papa na he open tomatoes for her. So all the time his papa go dey come dey call her when he be say mama no dey around. He go say make them go do that thing. So papa dey tell am say may not tell anybody. Oh, this one are between two of them. You know, he say at any time where he be say be like say people no dey around. Now papa tell dey call am. He say papa na that kind of man wey be say no dey work, no dey do anything. Wetin papa just specialize put na ikpekus. The problem wey dey na he love it papa something well well, not be small thing. My people, not be small thing person dey hear or not be small thing. He say so one day now wey be say they come dey outside. Wey be say mama don go sleep. He come remain his brothers with his papa. They never sleep. No. When your man wants sleep, you go sleep. You know they suspect say maybe something they happen. Mama don't know wetin they go on. He said so now papa come tell am say, oh yeah, come. May we go do that thing. Your man don't sleep. He said when they do this something now. No, sometimes you dey sleep, you just wake up. Maybe you want go piss or maybe you come the thing say, I not lock door, I not do this one. He say mama can't wake up. I say mama just wake up. Now mama just see two of them for inside there. As he take see her now, the thing just hold on. Now the woman can't get a heart attack. Not be small thing, now he can't fall for grant. So from there now they can't rush her, carry go hospital. The woman not fit talk wetin he see. To say no fit talk wetin he see as he see pikin with his papa they do vaga now, you understand. So now he can't dey for hospital. During from there now, before you know, he can't get a big problem. No, they talk again, nothing. Now so his mama take bye. So now he continue to the disgwagwa his papa because his mama no fit talk wetin happen. Say see wetin I see wey make am take fall. He no gree get up again. May we listen to this video because things they happen for inside life. I don't know where be say papa go they look his daughter. It's something go they get up. Me I don't know. And I talk and say many people they not well because when you go see your daughter, even no matter how your pikin go find rich, it not go like you go they admire her to like when they think many things. Hell, I go na me go do this one. Talking about saying papa now he can open his tomatoes for her. And this guy now, he don't they love his papa to the extent he not even follow another person. May we listen to what she get to talk. May I put the video for you?
I get belle for my papa. I dey 5 months pregnant for my biological father.
Okay.
We dey stay for one room apartment. Face me, I face you. Me, my father, and 2 of my younger brothers. My father no get any work when they do. He no even they do any work at all. The only work my papa sabi do na to work on me. Due to say before my mother died, my mother and I they take care of us. And she they pay the house rent. And she they feed us. And she they pay our school fees. And she they do everything. And she be the breadwinner. My papa no sabi do anything. One day when we dey with our mother, my father can't call me. Can't say get wetin he want tell me privately. I can't go answer. He can't say. This way one time make I not tell my mother, man not tell my younger brothers, make I not tell my friends, man not tell anybody. He say she I know say I be fine girl. She I know say I don't they look attractive. Say she I still be virgin. I can't say He say for this reason, I ain't go be the only man we go take my life. Say I ain't go be the only man we go disvirgin me. Say like this, I ain't go they make love with me. Based on say I be small pikin, I don't know what I want to talk. I don't know as I had it in for my ear. I can't say okay. So anytime my mother come up for us, my younger brothers come up for us, my father will come they sleep with me. They make love to me. To the extent you say my father will come teach me how to dey suck a prick.
What?
My father say we come dey see dey suck my toto join eye. My father come teach me many bad things. Or I go take do different style. Now my father dey give me. This thing don dey happen for a very long time. This thing don dey happen for like 3 to 4 years. We can't get one night when all of us come dey sleep for the house. And my father come wake me say make we go outside, make we go do. Based on say all of us dey inside. Now I come say okay. Now me and my father will come go outside. Where we dey till dey do our normal thing. My mother come wake up. It be like say my mother won't come outside, come peace. As she take come outside, now she take catch me and my father where we take dey make love. Now she take shout. Out of the shout and shock, now she take faint to come rush my mother go hospital. Now doctor say she get high BP. Based on the shock and everything, how my mother want to explain, give people say your own husband they sleep with your own pikin. She know now she want to talk and she know now she want to explain, and based on the shock and everything, then my mother take buy. My mother take go take poison by herself, take buy, say she no go fit talk this kind thing, then she take go. Ever since then, my father don dey below me. He no dey let me rest. Morning, afternoon, and night, my father dey on top of me, dey work with me. Now, the issue be say I don't get belle for am. And me, I no know someone to come outside, come talk, say my papa na give me belle. I no know someone to explain that because my younger brothers don dey ask me who give me belle. I no know someone to even talk and say na my own papa na give me belle. Na my own papa na disvirgin me. Now I say make I cry come outside. If na get wetin I want tell me, make una tell me, because like this now, I get belle for my papa. I dey nyash my papa, and the funniest thing is that I love my papa. Be say I love that man so much because now that man I sabi everything. But I don't know what I want to do. Now I say make I talk. Come and say hi guys. Now just hear that story when I talk. If I get any opinion when I want to talk, when I leave them for the comment section below. Things they really they happen. How papa go they sleep with your own pikin? He get as it be. He get as it be. I've been feel say this thing na only African magic they happen. I don't know say they happen for real life. But I don't forget to like and share this video.
We go share. My people, things they happen for inside life. Oh, can you imagine a old father go they see pikin, the thing go they get up, or he break on they take many things. Oh no, shuffle everywhere. Enough he go carry. He say no, now that's a pikin. Oh, that one not be man where use the hand to destroy a pikin life. He use the hand to destroy pikin life. Wait till go come happen now. He get belle. The belle now, hey, mama no dey again. The belle now, he can't get belle for his papa. He make it born now, I be make it live. Wait, my people, make I live una, make una talk. Wait till how una see this matter. Make it born now, make it live, or make it shout, come and say, make una see, oh, he don't take away papa they eat the tomatoes. Sote, his mama can't buy put. Things they happen for inside life, oh. Things they really they happen for inside life. Some men they not wear. They not wear. You go see your pikin, you go they think of another thing. Your own blood. The person will be say, hey, now wow, God I beg. Chineke God. Anyway, my people, make I leave una. Thank you for coming. God bless you. Help me to share this video. Leave your comment. Wait till you think about this person. Wait till he's supposed to do. If now you, wait till you go tell her. Okay? Wait till you go advise her. As you want to tell her, what you go do, what you not go do. Okay? Thank you. One love. Keep us together now. Bye-bye for now.